Hello, David Hirschhorn from CRP Automotive, back again. This time with a quick tip that might just save you a lot of time and money. My tip today applies to the EPS racks in GM vehicles like the Equinox and Terrain. Here's the tip. After you install the replacement rack, you have to perform an alignment and do the required programming immediately. As with all EPS racks, it's critical to perform an alignment and follow the manufacturer's programming procedures to complete the installation. But on GM vehicles, it's even more critical. Here's why. The rack will not have an error code for a set amount of time. But after that, if it's not programmed, a steering warning light will come on and the vehicle may not start. If this happens on most vehicles, the rack can be reprogrammed. But in an extreme case of the Equinox and Terrain, the rack may need to be replaced. Remember, if you have any question about this video or any AAE power steering product, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to hear about power steering installation tips like this. Thanks for watching.